Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to make this where they can engrave it. We're going to try a yellow box trick. Order back a page and you can see the white bounding box. But if you notice, the white bounding box is a lot bigger than the star. So first of all, they sent it to me. It's pretty big, so I'm going to reduce it in size. The bounding box is still huge, so with it selected, I'm going to take my crop tool. It really probably doesn't matter in this case because it's all white background matter, but I'm going to crop out and make the bounding box smaller. I think it's going to make Corel's job easier. I'm going to hit the plus key and I'm going to move it over twice because I want my trace version to move over. So I'm going to go trace bitmap, outline, trace flip art, which I use 99% of the time. And it's done. And if you look at the difference, how fuzzy that is versus our new one, it traced it really good. So we need to go to object, group, and ungroup it. And then we can get rid of the gold, get rid of the white, get rid of the white. And I'm pretty sure there's probably white in that hole, so we're going to get rid of that white. We'll bring our yellow box back. I shouldn't have deleted it. Order. Whoop. So I got rid of that. Let me back up here. I got rid of that line. Now I can actually see it, what I did. So I'm going to select that and hit delete. There we go. And once again, I should have not have removed my yellow box. I just want to make sure I get it all. Object. And there you go. Now, this eyeball is not as perfect as that eyeball, and they're actually kind of going the same direction. So what you could do is delete this one, hit the plus key on the keyboard. I would suggest holding down the control button and moving it like there. Now this line is good and this line's not. They don't have to be perfect. I just thought I saw another little mistake, but no, the outline is good. So we could do one of two things. We could take this and left click, right click, and make it maybe a little bit more uniform. It's pretty good. Let's just move this down a little bit. And I think we're good to go. So now I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Now he is going to laser engrave this. So if you cut it after we're done, we're going to want to remove the hairline. Left click, right click, just so we can see an outline. Take our new object and Control D and mirror it. And then you don't really have to hold down the control button and just kind of move it to that shot. Now I'm going to nudge that out of the way, take that out of the way. There's my other eyebrow. I'll nudge it way over there and just nudge it back. Now, I don't know if this is a line or not. It's a fill, so it won't hurt us to do this. I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to right click no outline. That way there won't be any outlines if he was going to later cut this out. This would be pretty easy to draw. I mean, but now that we've cleaned it up and it worked, I don't see any other faults in it. I would actually think it'd be cuter to have this eyeball going the other way, but that's personal preference. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.